Why am I sitting in front of this raised bed? I noticed something in this raised bed. Let me show you here. As I was removing the straw from the other raised bed, I noticed that there was still some carrots left behind. I know they're small, but I noticed there's some bigger ones. So I am seeing how many carrots actually overwintered in this raised bed. My daughter planted these early August last year, I believe. And I found out there is a bunch of them left in this raised bed. Now, I'm not going to be pulling all them because I'm going to allow her to have some fun pulling some of them. But I just thought I'd show you because some years carrots can overwinter here and some years they don't. So I am very excited. I'm going to be going around wherever I planted some carrots in the fall and seeing how many carrots I have overwintered. But I am excited that I get a little snack for lunch from my garden already on March 20th. If you like this video and would like to see more gardening videos like this, or some of my how-to videos that I have coming up, hit the like button on this video, hit subscribe, and let me know below in the comments what you're doing in your garden, or if you're able to start prepping your garden yet. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.